Hello and welcome back, children. So here I am once again with a quiz session from the chapter Virus Alert. So let's start from the first question. Depending on the dash and the presence of certain files, the action of a multi-partite virus may differ depending on the operating system. A computer virus may gain access to your computer over the internet or through the use of portable devices. Now, a part of dash security, McAfee Antivirus offers comprehensive protection from home-based and corporate-level computer systems. Now, a part of Intel security. A dash virus attacks a file and deletes the information it may contain. File infector. A directory virus is usually located in the dash and may often attack an entire program from there. Norton Antivirus utilizes virus dash for its detection approach. Signatures. Virus signatures. You download an AVG antivirus and internet security software packages from the AVG. So it will be website. Starting with the proper installation of an antivirus, a user can set the required dash to keep a computer safe from any threat. User can set the required configuration. Dash Antivirus is one of the few products available completely free without any trial period. It's AVG. An antivirus software is a dash program that can protect your computer from a virus. It's a security program. The dash automatically downloads and installs the different software components on your computer. Its installer. A typical virus mimics the appearance of a regular software as it attacks by deleting and sometimes rewriting the system files. It's Trojan. The Avast software also provides various settings that help you identify unknown dash of multiple origins. Unknown threats. So here we have completed the quiz. So from next day we will start our new chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay at home and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.